What's up, guys? Hope everyone's doing well. We're at Resort World Catskills. We're gonna do some Cash Express luxury line. Major's pretty big here compared to this one, so let's see. We're gonna do a mixed bag. Sorry, guys. My phone is giving me a lot of difficulties. Monday I'll get a new phone. This is insane. I'm sorry. Let's continue. Nice. $92, right? Yep. Not bad. Get it. Oh man, look at those. 50, 100. That's huge. 30, 90, it's over $200 right there. One more. Oh my god, that was max bet too. Okay. Well, we started with $350, so far we basically doubled our money. I definitely want that major, guys. I was here last week. I chased that major. And we're here now. Oh man, it got stuck up there. Hope you guys enjoying these videos, man. You know? Do a bunch of different games, a bunch of different mixed bets. Like I mentioned before, I'm no high limit. We're here to have fun. Win a couple of... Nice. These are nice numbers. 50, 50, 100. Nice. How much is that? 130. Have fun. Have a beer or two. Make a small little profit if we can. You know. I won't let it go under 600, guys. I call it a double up, and that's it. Move on to the next machine. If we get a bonus again, we'll go with the Buffaloes. Come on, one more. Ah, man. Right when I said it, too. One more. Oh, you got it, right? Sorry. One more. Oh, look at that. I guess it wants to give it to us. It should just give it to us. All it takes is 3 coins. That's it. It's simple. Look at that. What is that? $3.20. That's it, guys. Thank you all for watching. You guys have been amazing. See you next time. Take care. Guys, this is the Grand train, guys. This is the Grand. I switched to 1 cent, $5 bet. I continued on that ticket. It's crazy. Let's see if we get it. Come on, Grand. This will be crazy. My first Grand it would be. So it's Grand is available. Doesn't mean you got it. It could come. It means it could come. But I didn't even know this game had good fortune. It just out of nowhere it gave me this. So maybe it would be crazy. $16,000, guys. It's still a nice payout right now. So, but if that 16,000 comes, oh my God, I don't know what I'll do. I'm gonna scream for you guys. Another $100. Come on, baby. Come to Grand. Grand, come to daddy, Grand. 600 already. Come on, Grand. We'll make it $17,000. Come on, grand. Come on, baby. Come on. Do it. Let's get it. Another $100. Come on. No grand. It's still not bad. It's still not bad at all, guys. Oh, shit. We have another train coming. Each train is worth almost like $800. Yeah. So each train is going to be worth $824. Oh my God, this is huge, guys. This is insane. That's 800. That's 1,600. I should have got $2,400 on a $5 bet, guys. That's insane. Oh my God, we killed it. This is huge. Bang. Damn, that grand would have been sick though. I was not. That's crazy. Hell yeah. We'll get some thumbs up for this guy, guys. Come on. Appreciate you guys. Let me get this Handpay and I'll come back, alright? With some backup spin. Damn, that grand would have been crazy though. This $16,000 grand. We're gonna keep trying. I'll be right back, guys.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 20, 40, 60, and 13, 50.
Thank you, buddy.
Thank you.
Bang.